Congratulations! You've made it all the way through to counselling, and now we're going to have a look at the next step, which is the registration process. So on screen at the moment, we have a copy of the study plan, training study plan. So your job during counselling is to make sure this is accurate, make sure you've got all the information that you need to make informed choices, and then when the lecturer is finished the session, they'll then click on the little button to send it through to your email. So let's just assume now that the email has been sent. The email address is correct. All the details in here are accurate. So let's go over and check your email. So let's go to the email. So here is that particular email. If I just click on it, it will go through to a private email account. So again, make sure it is accurate. And in this document, if you scroll down, there's a lot of information in there. Please read through that information, but what I'm going to show you specifically is how to register. There is a registration help file, and from this screen at the moment, I can see that I'm going to need a Certificate 3 study path, as well as a tutorial study path. So as a Certificate 3 student, I'll need 2. You get a copy of the training plan. You also get a copy of the timetable. So what you do is use the registration help file, which is this file here, which is the HTML. So you can download that and have a look at that. I'm just going to open that now. So this document will tell me which CRN to be registered for which study path. So now let's go over to TAFESA and try and do that. Remember, I'm a Certificate 3 person. So going over to the TAFE website, click on myTAFESA, log into myTAFESA, and navigate through to Student. Click on your Add and Drop, and then get ready to start registering your details. So select the semester code for that, and then move into select the actual study path. Click on Enroll Certificate 3. Ensure that Select Qualification Study Path is Certificate 3. Click on List Modules to then establish your CRNs and type the CRNs down below. So now you go down to the CRN box down the very bottom there, type in the first CRN, press Tab to navigate to the next box. Repeat that process for all the CRNs that are issued in your registration help file that align with that particular study path. Do not apply the ones for the tutorial against the Certificate 3 study path, only the Certificate 3 study path CRNs. And once you have done that, then click on Submit Changes. To do the pracs, refer back to the registration help file, which is on screen at the moment, and you're looking for applying only the tutorial CRNs. These are your IT pracs, and they are listed against the tutorial study path. So if we just go over and have a look how to do that in myTAFESA. So in myTAFESA, go back to the Add and Drop. Click up in the Select Qualification Study path to choose the tutorial, then click on List Modules, and then repeat the CRN process. So pop in the CRN, press Tab to navigate to the next one, and when you're ready, click on Submit Changes, and then you can add the appropriate start date for those particular CRNs. And you are done for registration in Certificate 3.